Hi, my name is An Lu and I'm working with Osman for our PBL project Kool-Aid Chromatography. The etymology of chromatography means color and to write. It's defined as the collective term for a set of laboratory techniques for the separation of mixtures. Chromatography was first employed by Italian-born scientist Michael Tisbit in 1900. He continued to work with chromatography in the first decade for the separation of plant pigments such as chlorophyll. For our ELA connection, we wrote about an FBI agent who is tracking down a supposed crime ring distributing drugs. He goes to a technician for HPLC, which is a high-performance liquid chromatography analysis, and finds out that it's the wrong crime ring that he's been tracking, and he needs to find out the real one. Our materials included an isopropyl alcohol solution, a grape Kool-Aid packet, beakers, graduated cylinder, a microplate, and a syringe with a lure lock tip. The most important material in our experiment was the SEPAC C18 column. This column is very nonpolar, and since dyes are slightly polar, they adhere to the nonpolar column. We prepared two separate solutions for the different dyes, one with a 25% isopropyl alcohol solution and another with a 5% isopropyl alcohol solution. We diluted these with water, and these were made for 100 milliliters instead of 500. After that, we desalinized the C18 SEPAC with the syringe to dispose of any chemicals from the leftover experiments. After cleaning the syringe, we decided to extract Kool-Aid. You can see the dyes being absorbed into the C18 SEPAC while all the clear waters and sugars inside the syringe. As we pour the contents of the syringe out, you can see the dyes are still inside the C18 SEPAC and there's nothing but water and sugars coming out. We then poured out 5% isopropyl alcohol. The reason why it turned out red is because the 5% isopropyl alcohol is more nonpolar than the column, and the red dye attaches to it and poured out through the cartridge. As you can see through the picture, you can see the dye itself. We then took the 25%, which is even more nonpolar than the 5%, and it poured out the blue dye. This is the image of the colorations between the dyes. Thanks for watching our PBL project.